Just stay where you are, because now we are moving on to mental cleansing. First method, look around and find 5 round objects in your environment that you have never noticed before. Now, without pausing the video, look around. 5 round objects. If you found them, continue. Strangely, the mind may have slowed down a bit because the brain struggles to both produce thoughts and actively scan the environment at the same time.
When you focus on the outside world, the power of your inner dialogues decreases. Now, let's move on to the second method.
Touch the thumb of your right hand to your index finger, then to your middle finger, then to your ring finger, then to your little finger, and do this in reverse order, not fast, calmly. After a few rounds, you may notice the noise in your mind decreasing, because during this movement, the brain starts using the motor cortex and attention networks simultaneously. Now, we move on to the third and most interesting method. Quietly estimate the weight of 3 objects around you. For example, a glass, a pen, a phone. Without touching, guess which one is heavier, which one is lighter. At this moment, your brain is doing something very interesting. Instead of producing anxiety and thoughts, it switches to problem-solving mode. This is called cognitive shifting. So you are not forcibly silencing the mind, you are redirecting its attention to another task. And the interesting thing is, the brain does not like to be idle, but when given small tasks, it temporarily pushes the thoughts that tire you into the background. The way to silence the mind is not by trying not to think, it is to give the brain something more interesting to think about.